right now, what we gonna do is hit you with a reaction. Most definitely gotta hit you with this reaction. I'm not sure whether or not y'all know Ynw Bslime, you know, has a little brother. He's 12 years of age, and he just hit this song, and I think that y'all might want to hear it. I'm not really going to talk about what he talking about and whatever the case might be, but I'm just going to say shout out to the moms, because the moms made 2 kings. You hear me? Moms made 2 kings. 2 kings. You feel me? So, we'll be back. Hit it with it.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right. Hey, yeah, nigga world.
Young child, you killed this track.
I can say right from the jump right now, the beat is riding. You hear me? It's already catchy. Back in my dreams. Hey. Hi, bitch. Locked in a cage. I don't know if y'all heard that, but he said older brother taught him how to make it. Shout out to Mel. That's his only way. He gotta make these bands. Hey. Wait. Hold on. I see. You know, take it slow. Wait, that's him on the floor? Wait, for real? Nah. Gee, hold on. I guess so. I guess so. Man, Melly already produced some of the most abstract music as it is, you feel me? You know, agree to disagree. Whatever your perception is, that's cool. But to me, abstract, and I'm feeling it. And so for the little bro to come along and he hitting about the same type of vibes with a little twist and look, man. And he 12 right now. He 12. So any one of y'all that's thinking and having some type of like doubt in the back of y'all head about y'all dreams, definitely go ahead and jump, because you either gonna soar, you may fail, but you definitely gonna get back up, and the experience is gonna teach you. So that being said, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to Smoove's World, you feel me? And if you like this and you want to see more, subscribe, hit that like button, share. Tell me something I'm doing wrong. Tell me something I'm doing right. Whatever it is, hit it in the comments. Comment down below. I want to keep it going. Hey, but y'all, tune in. I'll be back at it again. Y'all have a productive day.